Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the third exercise of chapter 12, that is exercise 12.3 of our chapter 12 algebraic expressions. So let's begin with question number 1. What is given in question number 1? Let's see that. It's given if m is equal to 2, find the value of. So it's given for question number 1, the value of m is given. So what is given? M is equal to 2. So we have to find the value of the other expressions. So question number 1 is given as m minus 2. Okay, so m value is given as 2. So what will be m minus 2? We'll just put the value of m that is given, that is 2, in place of this 2 minus 2, which will be equal to 0. Okay, in the same way this process will be repeated for the other sums. Question number 2 is given as 3m minus 5. Okay, so in place of m, what you will put? You will put this 2 minus 5. So 3 2s are 6 minus 5. The answer is equal to 1. Okay, so in this way you need to do the solutions. Okay, so there are few more, 3, 4 and 5. I would like you to try that as your homework. Okay, that's simple. Just put the value of m as given. So that will be your homework. Question number 1, 3, 4 and 5 will be your homework. You will try this one as just put the value of m in the given expression and you will get the solution. Now let me show you number 2. It's also same here. P is given. If p is equal to minus 2, find the value of. I'd like to show you one here. I'll just use this space here. Okay, question number 2 it's given. P is equal to minus 2. Let me show you. Number 1 is very simple. Let me show you number 2. Okay, in number 2 it's given minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. So what will you do? You will just put the value of p, that is minus 2, in place of all this p. So minus 3 into minus 2 square, because p has a square, plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Okay, so you put the value in this way. Now minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 2 will be plus 4, plus 4 2s are minus 8. Okay, plus 7. 4 into minus 3 minus 12, plus minus minus 8 plus 7. Minus 12 minus 8 will be how much? Minus 20 plus 7 will be equal to what? Minus 13. And this is your solution. Okay, so you do it this way. So you will be doing from this question, you will be doing question number from 2, you will do question number 1 and 3 as your homework. I have done 2 for you. You will just do the 2 remaining sums as your homework. Now let us move on to question number 3. Here also it's given, find the value of the following expression where x is equal to minus 1. Same process, just we have to substitute with the given value of x. Let's do that. Just using the same space here. So for question number 3, what is given? Let's see. It's given x is equal to minus 1. So I'll just write given x is equal to minus 1. Let's see. The first expression is given as 2x minus 7. 2x minus 7. Okay, so just put this one, 2 into minus 1 minus 7, right? So minus 2 minus 7, which is equal to minus 9, and you have your solution. Similarly, I'll show you one more. Let me show you number 2. Number 2 is given as minus x plus 2. Minus x is given as how much? Minus 1. So minus 1, this minus was already there, and x is minus 1 plus 2. Minus minus will become plus. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, and this is your solution. In this way you can try the other 2. You have question number 3 and 4. That can be your homework. Question number 3 and question number 4, you can try it as the homework. Just substitute the value of x with minus 1. Now let us move on to question number 4. Now let us begin with question number 4. What is given in question number 4? If a equal to 2, so what is given? Let's write given a is equal to 2, b equal to minus 2. So b is equal to minus 2. We have to find the value of the following. So let's show you number 1. Number 1 expression is a square plus b square. So here two values are given. I just have to put the value of the variables here. A is given as 2 square plus b is given as minus 2. It has a square. Okay. So 2 square means 2 into 2, which is equal to 4, plus minus 2 into minus 2 is also equal to 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, and this is your solution. So you are going to try the next two, that is question number 4, 2 and 3 will be your homework. Okay. Now let me show you number 5. Same way, again the value of a and b is given. Let me show you here. Okay. Question number 5, it's given. Let's write down what is given. A is equal to 0 and b is equal to minus 1. Find the value of the given expressions. Let's see question number 1 here. 2a plus 2b. So let's put the value a. So what is a here? A is equal to 0. So 2 into 0 plus 2b is equal to minus 1. 2 into 0, 0 plus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 0 plus minus 2, 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. So just you have to substitute the given values and try finding the solution of the expression. So I hope you can do the rest of the sums, that is 2, 3 and 4 of question number 5 in the same way, because it's just simpler. In the same way you will be doing these things. So just try question number 5, 2, 3 and 4. See, make sure that you are not making any mistakes with the signs, and be careful while adding, subtracting and multiplying the numbers. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 6. Same way, it's also the same thing. I'm making use of the space, hope you won't mind. Now let's move on to the next question, that is 6. Question number 6, it's given. Simplify the expression and find the value if x is equal to 2. So here also what's given? It's given that x is equal to 2. So I have to simplify the expression. So let's begin with the first expression. It's given 1x plus 7, x plus 7 plus 4x minus 5. So it's given. Simplify the expression and find the value. So you can just put the value of 2, or you can just simplify it a little bit. So let's see, x is what? 2 plus 7 plus 4, 2 minus 5. 2 plus 7, or you can just try doing the bracket first. 2 plus 7, let's leave it like this. 4 into 2 minus 5 is minus 3, right? So 2 plus 7 plus 4. 4 into minus 3 will be how much? Minus 12. 4 3 is 12 and minus sign. So 2 plus 7 plus minus minus 12. 2 plus 7 is 9 minus 12. Okay. So 9 minus 12 will be how much? Minus 3. Okay. So this is your solution. So you have to just solve it and find out the solution. So I'd like to try you all to try the rest of the sums, that is from question number 6, 2, 3 and 4, because it's the same way of substituting the given value and simplifying the solution. So you will try this one as your homework. Now let us move on to question number 7. Again the value of x, a and b is given there. I'll show you one again. So what is given in question number 7? The values are given. Simplify the expression and find their values. If x equal to 3, a equal to minus 1 and b equal to minus 2. So what you have to do, in some expressions you might find all x, a, b are given, and some only x is given. So you'll just put the value of x. What is the value of x here? 3. So in place of 3, x you will put 3. So this you can see 3 3s are how much? 9 minus 5 minus 3 plus 9. So let's bring the 9 plus 9 together and minus 5 minus 3. 9 plus 9 is how much? 18. 5 minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. 18 minus 8 is equal to 10, and this is your solution. You just have to put the values and find the solution. Okay, you can do it for same way for question number 3 also, I'll just show number 3 here. In number 3, the expression is 3a plus 5. Okay, minus 8a plus 1. So here a is how much? Minus 1. So you put minus 1 in place of a. 5 minus 8 into minus 1 plus 1. So minus 3 plus 5 minus 8 into 1 minus 1 is how much? 8 into minus 1 is minus 8. So minus 8 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 5 will be how much? 2 plus 8 plus 1. Okay, 2 plus 8, 10, 11, and just you'll have this solution. So you just have to substitute the value whichever is given and then find the solution. So you'll just try the remaining sums as your homework. Okay, all of you see here, homework will be question number 1 I have done for you. So question number 7 to 3 is done, 4 and 5. You'll just try this 3 as your homework. Now let's move on to question number 9 and 10. 2 sums are given. I will show you. 9 will be your homework. It's given what should be the value of 2x square plus x minus a equals to 5. Okay, that's the expression when x is equal to 0. So you just have to simplify and put the value of x as 0 and find the solution. That will be very easy for all of you. So question number 9 will also be your homework. I'll just write down here. Okay, question number 9 also as your homework. And then I'll show you question number 10 now. What is given in question number 10? Let's see. Simplify the expression and find its value when a is equal to, so what is given first? A is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 3. Let's solve the expression. 2a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. So first we'll simplify this. Okay. So this one, if I multiply, it will become what? 2a square plus 2ab plus 3 minus ab. Can you see any like terms, this and this? So let's write the like terms together. 2ab minus ab plus 3. 2a square minus 2ab minus ab will be plus ab plus 3. Now I will put the given values. Now you will have to substitute the values of given. Now putting the values of a and b in the given above expression, just put these values. Okay, so what is the expression? 2a square, so 2 into a is how much? 5 square plus 5 into b is minus 3 plus 3. So let's solve this one. So 50 minus 15, 35 plus 3 is equal to 38, and this is your solution. So I hope you have understood. So whenever an expression is given, you have to simplify it and put the given values of a, b or x, whatever unknown values are given. Okay, so this is the end of your exercise. Now there is an exercise 12.4 after this, which has some sums related to patterns, which is not included for your syllabus for this session. So just write here that exercise, please remember this, exercise 12.4 is not required. Okay, so this is not required for this session, so please make sure you are not required to, so you will not get any video for exercise 12.4. So this is the end of the exercise as well as the end of the chapter of algebraic expressions. So we'll see new chapter in our new video. I hope the explanation was helpful. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day ahead.